Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Zach Gordon, your go-to expert for all things credit and business funding. If you're looking to unlock some secrets to building credit or securing funding or scaling your business, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing with you one of the best credit card hacks that could potentially get you access to 100,000 in credit, all with 0% interest for 15 months. This is a powerful strategy that you can give you the financial flexibility you need to grow your business or manage your expenses effectively. Before we dive into the hack itself, let's talk about why this strategy is so powerful. Credit cards can be a credible tool for building your credit profile, but they can also be a means to access large amounts of funding without the burden of interest. If you know how to use them right, this hack is perfect for those of you who need to free up cash flow or invest in your business without paying a dime in interest for over a year. If you're ready to learn more, let's go ahead and break it down, shall we? All right, here's the strategy. Let's say you need 100,000 in credit. Start with your Chase Freedom card if you have it, which offers 0% interest for 15 months. This is your base card, the one we're going to supercharge. Next, we head over to Chase and we apply for 2 travel cards like a Delta or United. These cards usually come with higher credit limits, often around 20,000 because they're geared towards frequent travelers who spend a lot. The key here is to apply for both of them to maximize your credit limits. Now, we're not going to stop here. You're also going to apply for hotel credit cards, such as a Marriott or Ritz-Carlton card. They're all backed by Chase. These cards typically offer credit limits in the range of 15,000 to 20,000 per card. So by the end of this step, you should have several cards with a combined credit limit that's pretty substantial. Now, let's get to where the magic happens. You're going to call Chase and ask them to combine the credit limits of all these cards into a Chase Freedom card. Why the Freedom card? Because it's the one with 0% interest for 15 months. By consolidating all your limits into this one card, you're essentially creating one big jumbo card with a massive credit limit, all while maintaining that 0% interest rate. Imagine having a 100K credit limit from one bank with no interest for 15 months. That is an absolute game changer. So what can you do with this 100,000 in interest-free credit? Well, this is where the possibilities are endless. You can use it to invest in your business, buy inventory, invest in marketing, or even use it to bridge any cash flow gaps you may have. But remember, this strategy only works if you're very disciplined. You've got to make sure you're making the payments on time and have a plan to pay off the balance before the interest-free period ends. Also, let's keep in mind that this isn't just free money, it's a tool. Money and credit should be used as a tool to create and grow your assets. Use it wisely to grow your wealth, not create unnecessary debt. The beauty of this hack is that it gives you breathing room to invest and scale without the immediate pressure of the high interest payments. And that's pretty much it for today's video. The credit card hack has been a lifesaver for many people, and I hope it can be for you too. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on building credit, securing funding, and growing your business. And if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And not to forget, just because the 15 months of 0% interest has expired, we can always move that into another card that has interest-free payments. So you can extend this for 2, 3, 4 years and let that money work for you and grow your assets. But once again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Go ahead and tap in and click the link in the description if you want to have a free consultation about how we can do something similar to this or get you funding for your business or how you could even fix your credit. I'm here to talk to you and solve any particular issues you might have and give you feedback. Thank you.